Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my first makeup look on this channel. It's going to be a spooky, fun, glittery purple Halloween witch. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me create this look. So I did my eyes without talking through them because I didn't really know where I was going with that. But I just mixed together a couple of foundations to make a spooky, witchy light color. I'm just gonna go in with this. I hate doing my eyes before my makeup. Palette. I'm gonna use the same colors I used on my lid, and I'm really just gonna smoke it out. Wow, I'm so pale. This is gross. I'm gonna take the dark purple color and start smoking. Now I'm gonna start adding the tears. I'm just gonna take a thin liner brush. I'm gonna take that purple color and start to drag it down. Now I'm going to take the Kat Von D Lash Liner, and I'm just going to dab it all over my lash line, my waterline. Okay, so now it's time to add glitter to the tears. So to start this off, I'm just going to take one of the Urban Decay, I can't remember what these are called. One of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liners. This is the shade Distortion. I'm just gonna kind of draw this along the tears first. Just right over that purple shadow. So I'm gonna go back in with that Anastasia glitter I was using earlier on my eyes, on the lids. And I'm just gonna bring that all over the tears too. By the way, if you guys have not listened to Kim Petras' Spooky Halloween EP, then you really need to. It is so good. It's just a bunch of super fun spooky pop songs, and I live for it. It is all I've been listening to so far, and it is all I will be listening to this Halloween season, and it just really helps me get in the mood for my looks. So now I just am taking the NYX glitter glue all along the lash line, and then I'm going to go back in with the Anastasia glitter just all across there. So now I'm just going to put some lashes on. I'm going in with the Lilly lashes in the style Mykonos, and I'll be right back. So now I'm just going to take some mascara on the lower lashes, and just to make my own lashes blend in with the big ones. So I'm going to make my lips black, but I don't have a black lipstick, so I'm just going to take this pencil eyeliner to line my lips first, and then I'm going to take a cream liner to fill them in. Alright, so to finish it off, we're just going to add some highlight. Let me find my brush. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Sweets Glow Kit, this sassy grape up here. Ooh, girl. Alright guys, so here's the final look. Just threw on a little purple witch hat. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is my first makeup video, so I was like super nervous about it. But yeah, I think it turned out alright. It's a little messy, but it's kind of the point. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.